Mark with the Anatomy of Wellness, and today we're going to learn how to use a foam roller for your calf muscles.
You want to focus more on the upper half of your calf muscles and get that gastroc muscle. You actually want to start with the foam roller about halfway up your leg, okay? And then for this, because your gastroc, the way it's built, there's kind of two halves to it. I actually like to start with my foot kind of turned at a 45-degree angle, okay? So I can kind of work on one half at a time. I found if you work with it just with your foot straight up and you're trying to get both halves at the same time, it can be quite uncomfortable. So I turn my foot just out to the side. Again, bring this leg up over the top. And then from that halfway point, I'm actually going to roll the foam roller up towards my knee, but I'm not going to actually get to my knee joint. So it's going to look like this. So as I roll, I'm going to get just below my knee joint and then pull myself back down to that halfway point of my calf and just kind of work on that inner half of my gastroc muscle. Do that a few times, and then I'm going to rotate my foot out the other way. You can kind of shift your hips. Same thing here. And roll on that outer half of the gastroc muscle. And again, if that's too much for you, if that's too intense, put that other leg down. You can just have the one leg kind of work it in that kind of a fashion, kind of help lift your body off so there's not so much pressure pushing down in to your muscle into the foam roller, making it more intense. But that's a great way to get both your soleus muscle and your gastroc muscle. Again, do that once or twice a day, 30 seconds to a couple minutes as tolerated, and that'll really help to loosen those things up.